All right, we got the Wybot S2 solar unboxing. The solar panel actually comes in a separate box, and it actually came a day early. So, but there was very little in that. I'll show it to you in a second. So, what do we have here? Oh, it's part of the mount, it looks like, or the dock that we plug into the solar panel. Alright, so it's got these little clear protective strips on it. And the plug, this part should be, it goes inside the pool. 4-prong plug. Alright, set that. Sure. Oh, it's got a retrieval hook. So you hook this up to your pool pole and retrieve it. I guess if it falls off the dock or gets stuck inside the pool, it's got a little hook for you to hook the robot. And let's see. Piece of foam, not sure what that goes to yet. Maybe a filter and some literature, manual, user's manual, tips and notes, and maybe another filter, 2 of those. Looks like just little pads. I don't know if they go to yet. And how to use floating parts. Instructions. Okay. So you can do solar or DC. You can use your house. But I do not want to have a plug running to my pool. So that's what the whole point of the solar is. But this is a backup. Put this in here. AC DC adapter. Okay. It's definitely smaller than our other one. Not too much smaller, but I do like that it has belts on the sides for traction. And then brushes here, soft brushes, and this is where the debris should go inside. Alright, this is, I don't know what, that's definitely not going to get plugged in. That should go, that's just 2 pins. So, is that part of this? Yep, that's where this will go, right here on top. If you want to plug it in manually, this should go to the solar panel. Grab that. So here's the panel that came yesterday in a separate box. Didn't know it was going to be 2-part delivery. So this should sit right flat on the pool. This will sit inside. Hook up the docking station. And the robot should mount up here. So I will take it over to the pool and set it up. We'll be right back. Alright, so this is the solar. Start with the solar panel part. It's got the adjusting feet on it to make it level in case your pool isn't level. Like if you have different size stones, you can make small adjustments to get it level. Then these, they're already tight, so you kind of got to loosen them up. And what we'll do is put tension right here so that this won't move once you have it in the pool, so that when you attach this, there's not all this play in it. So loosen these up and get it where you want in the pool, and then tighten them down. The best way to do it is while it's in the pool, take this cover off. This just pops. There's arrows on it, so you know which way to pop it off. The cover. Put it in there and then tighten it down while it's in the water, and it'll take up all that slack. You don't want it flush up against this. Just depends on how much of a lip you have on the pool. So then what you have to do is attach the docking plate to this. So there's this piece right here. Underneath, you can see there, it's hard to see, but there's a little plastic fitting here, so we can secure this piece. So this needs to come off. This little cover here, nice and easy. Got some tape on it. That's just a cap. And we're going to secure this to this. So this is, yeah, four prongs. So this is going to be in the pool up against the ground, or against a wall. So this should fit out right here. Let's take this off. Okay, there's one little U shape on top, and then the bottom is flat, and right inside here is kind of a half moon, so you know exactly where it goes in. It can only go in, looks like it can only go in one way, but I'll secure it that way, tighten it down. Let's put that back in. Okay. Alright, then let's put the cover back on. Should go all the way down here. Cover the cap when the cable is disconnected to prevent water damage. Good to know. Let's turn that in a circle. Wrap it up. This cord should be coming all the way down there. Okay. So it looks like this just hooks right in here, but it's probably going to be easier to do once I get it in the water, because right now I'm fighting gravity. So let's see where we're at. Should be fine. So still a lot of tension on it. Okay, no tension. Okay. All right. So there it goes. Hook right in. Line this up here in the groove. All right. This should be easier with two people. But it looks like stand it up. Pick the whole thing up. Bring it over to the pool. Put a little tension on it, push it back. And it really, you want to make sure it's just not coming away from the wall. It's not coming out. All right, so that should be good there. I need to put that cover back on it. There we go. All right, so over here you can see there's a home button, and then that's basically your on power button. So I turned this on, this turned blue. Let's see if it does it again. Yeah, there you go, it's blue. So we know it's on. Take a picture of the inside the debris that's already in there, some leaves, there's a little branch. So that way we can do a comparison after, you know, a couple hours of use and see how long it takes. Then we come over to the robot. No, there's a front lip here. You open that up. Here's going to be your net. Oh, there's actual gel things in here. How do we open this? Okay, here we go. Open this up. Take those gels out. It's going to be the little flap. And then I showed you on the earlier there was a white filter. that just fits right back. This is obviously like a more of a coarse filter. You can take it out, but then if you want to put in that other white one, maybe it's for fine if you have more sand or more fine material in your pool, you can get that out. So we'll put this back in place. We'll see how it works with this one and then how it works with that one. Now there's grooves right here for it to slide right back into. Okay, that's set. And then there's also a warning here. Tighten this before you put it in the pool. So tighten the cap before putting. All right, then we're gonna turn it on. There's a mode button. This is the handle, which is nice. You carry it. I guess this is also where you would hook it. You need to. Let's turn it on. Okay, there we go. We got some lights. I don't know how much of a charge is already on it. Let's just put it in the pool. Obviously it's going to dock like this. So let's get it over here in the water, see if we can get it onto the station. Just got to get the air out of it first. I'm not sure how it docks. Oh, looks like there's a little hook ring. Oh, motor just kicked on. Oh, looks like it's purging. It's wanting to float up. I don't know where it's supposed to catch. Okay. Looks like the wheels are turning in there. Oh, should I hit the home button? Follow the instructions. Let's see what it does. Well, the wheels. Oh, okay. All right. Let's see. All right, it's sinking. Let all the air out. Oh, it's turning. I haven't downloaded the app or anything like that. So it goes in the direction of like the small wheel. Oh, okay, it's going back and forth. It went right for that big branch that was down there. I don't know if it got it because the opening doesn't look like it's big enough to suck up a whole branch unless it breaks it. So it looks like it got it though, right? Or it's pushing it. No, the branch is on the back side of it. You see it? Mm. Okay. So it's getting up there. Okay, good. So I'm gonna hit the home button and see if it comes home. And docks. We have a lot of clouds today, so I don't know how well this solar panel's gonna charge. So the button turned purple. All right, let's try the home button again. I hear a little beep. That's purple. The light is purple, but it's not coming back yet. I would think you'd have to pair it or something, but it's on that little seat. What if I have to hold the button down? Let's try holding it. Push and hold.
Coming back.
Oh, is it, or is it just coming to the side of the? Kind of looks like it's coming straight for it. Let's see if it connects. It's paused. Stop. 5 green lights on the front. Oh yeah, it's lined up perfect. All right, let's see how high it goes before it stops. Okay. And it's docked. So, it seems pretty simple. The light is green now, so maybe that means it's charging. Oh yeah, it's pulsating between green and no color. Oh, okay. Maybe this is the battery indicator. So I'll have to read the rest of the instructions. So it had 5 lights. 3 are lit. The 4th one is blinking, so I'm assuming it has to get through the rest of the 4th one and then to the 5th one before it'll be fully charged. So in the meantime, I'll download the app and see what kind of features it has.